Hi everyone, and welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. Today we're going to explore how to use AI to create a rough draft of your business policies. As a childcare provider, having clear and comprehensive policies is crucial for ensuring smooth operations and setting expectations with parents and staff. AI tools can help streamline this process, saving you some time and helping you to create clear and professional policies. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use AI to help you draft effective policies for your childcare business. In this video, we'll be covering the benefits of using AI for drafting policies, choosing the right AI tool, setting up the AI tool, and creating a rough draft of your business policies. Using AI to draft your business policies offers several benefits. It's time-saving as AI can quickly generate a draft, allowing you to reallocate your time and focus on other important tasks. It ensures consistency, maintaining uniform language and formatting throughout the document. AI tools can also help to incorporate industry best practices and legal requirements, providing access to the best standards. Additionally, you can customize the draft to fit the unique needs of your childcare business. To get started, you'll need to choose the right AI tool. Here are some tips to help you select the best one. Look for various AI writing assistants and compare the features, ease of use, and the pricing of different tools. Choose the tool that best meets your business requirements and budget. For this example, we'll be using a tool called ChatGPT. Once you've chosen your AI tool, it's time to set it up. For this example, we'll be using ChatGPT by OpenAI. First, visit chatgpt.com in your browser and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. I'll be doing this with a Gmail account, but you can use any email address that you have. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once you're signed up and logged in, you'll land on the ChatGPT dashboard. Here, you can start a new chat and start generating a draft of your business policies. You can start a new chat by clicking the New Chat button in the top left-hand corner, or by simply typing in the message ChatGPT bar on the bottom of the screen. Now, let's create a rough draft of your business policies using ChatGPT. Start by providing the AI with some context about your childcare business. For example, you can type, "Create a rough draft of business policies for a childcare center that serves children aged 1 through 5, operating from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday." Chat will then generate a draft based on the information that you provide. You can further refine the draft by asking Chat to include specific sections such as enrollment policies, health and safety guidelines, discipline policies, and parent communication protocols. If you're feeling stuck on what to include, you can ask Chat for help. Let's ask, what policies should be included in a formal draft for a childcare business? Chat will generate some ideas to help you create your policies. Once the AI generates the rough draft, review it carefully. Check for accuracy, relevance, and completeness. Make any necessary edits to ensure the policies align with your business practice and legal requirements. You can also ask AI to elaborate on certain sections or make specific changes. For instance, you can type, "Add a section on emergency procedures," or specify, "Revise the health and safety guidelines to include COVID-19 protocols," and Chat will do so for you. Let's walk through an example. Suppose you want to create a section on nutrition and meal policies. Type, "Draft a nutrition and meal policy for a childcare center, including guidelines for mealtimes, dietary restrictions, and healthy eating practices." Chat will generate a detailed section based on your input. Review the generated text, make any necessary adjustments, and incorporate it into your policy document. As you create your policies, ensure that you include key elements such as enrollment policies, health and safety guidelines, discipline policies, parent communication protocols, emergency procedures, staff training and management, and daily schedule and routine. If you don't already have specific policies in these areas, your AI tool can help you create them. Once you've generated a rough draft of your business policies using AI, it's time to organize and format it. Start by copying the draft from the AI tool and pasting it into a Word document. You'll likely have to do some tweaking to the spacing and sections after moving your draft. Next, create sections and headers for different types of policies to ensure that everything is categorized clearly. For example, you may have sections like daily operations, health and safety, enrollment policies, and emergency procedures. Arrange the tasks in chronological order, beginning with drop-off procedures in the morning and ending with pickup procedures in the evening. This logical flow helps everyone understand the sequence of daily activities. Next, include a table of contents at the beginning of your document. This makes it easy for readers to navigate to specific sections quickly. Finally, add an introduction that explains the importance of following these policies. Emphasize that adhering to the guidelines ensures the safety, consistency, and smooth operation of your childcare business. Using AI to create a rough draft of your business policies can save you time and ensure consistency and professionalism. It allows you to focus on other aspects of your childcare business while leveraging advanced technology to streamline the policy creation process. Give it a try and see how AI can benefit your business.